Welcome to mountain living in the western North Carolina, northeast Georgia and East Tennessee mountains. Enjoy this property tour. Mountain and seasonal lake views from this 2.42+ acres located in the Mountain Oak Reserve Subdivision. Ready to build with a 3-bedroom septic installed, shared well and paved roads. This gated community offers underground utilities, year-round long-range views, 5-acre lake common area that includes swimming and picnic areas. Start building your cabin in the Murphy, NC Mountains today.